Hi everybody, this is Ann again with Kai Dragon Gardening and Cooking Channel, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about starting seeds for squash and pumpkins and an easy way for you to do that. It's a little bit less painful than using some of the seed starter trays. I bought some of the little bonsai trays, and they work very, very well for this. I start out by putting soil that I have pre-mixed into each one of the pots, and I press it down till it's about an inch from the top, as you can see that I have done in each one of these. Now, all of these seeds, these are pumpkins and squash. Most of them are a type of zucchini. And I'm going to demonstrate one set here. But as you can see by looking at the seeds, I am putting them in the ground point side down. And that is going to help them with their germination. It should help them actually start faster. You can also take sandpaper to your seeds, or some people nick the end of it with scissors, anything to help the seed germinate. But I find when I do the point side down, they seem to do a little better. So I've got some pumpkin seeds here. And these pumpkins are the blue-gray. So they're going to get about 12 pounds. We'll be doing another video later on once we get to planting them and they get growing, because we're going to try and do more vertical gardening with this kind of stuff. But anyway, after you have all your seeds in your little pots, and I only do 4. Some people do more than that. But if they all take off, I use the 10-gallon grow bags and fill them completely with a soil mix that we make up ourselves with compost and sphagnum, and also a very good topsoil. And sometimes we buy the topsoil that has a little bit of manure in it too. And then also add a little bit of food, because you want to remember to feed your soil. So that way you're not stressing over what your plant needs. And some people make weed tea. You can use worm casting tea. There's a lot of different things that you can make to help feed your plants, to give them nutrients. Anyway, so now that the seeds are all in these little pots, and they're all an inch deep, which is what is required for planting them, this is what makes them so easy. Then I can come back over, grab this dirt, trying to do this with one hand and hold the camera with the other. It's not as easy as setting up a tripod and just doing it. But anyway, once you fill that up to the top and press it down, you've got it down the way it's supposed to be planted, an inch deep. And then you're ready to just take these outside to your greenhouse, or put them under your grow light, or whatever you're going to do. So that's what I'm going to do to each one of these trays, and they'll be ready to go. So that's one of my quick seed starting tips for you if you're doing pumpkins or any type of squash for this year. And you want to get on the bandwagon with that, because they are going to take a while to germinate. And then you want to get them in your grow bags, or however you're going to plant them, if you're going to go direct sowing in the ground, or when you transplant your seedlings. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. And as always, we appreciate you. And thank you so much for watching.